Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on AliExpress and keep the item. It's really simple and easy. Normally on AliExpress, when you get a refund, you will need to return the item. But in the case where you get scammed, like you don't necessarily need to return the item, but you will need to open up a dispute even though it's not anything that you want. Most likely you will be able to keep the item. You go to the bottom of the end, and then what you can do on AliExpress website is contact the support. You can see like a little chat message button right here. Click onto this button. This will allow you to send a message to AliExpress and just explain, to be honest, and tell them that you got scammed and what you order is not what you received. And then you will be able to tap that into the chat and you should be able to get a solution to that problem. If it's like a regular item and you just don't want to return it, then unfortunately you will be able to keep the item but you won't be able to get a refund. But if you got scammed, most likely you can just keep that useless item. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.